today I have a new box. It is called Selfie Styler. They have an awesome app where you can take a picture of yourself and you can put different clothes on and pick what you choose. So they had reached out to me. They asked me to do a review. I also have a giveaway for you guys, $100 for a lucky viewer subscriber to use to purchase clothes. So I will be picking that. Just comment below how you like my videos or anything about my videos or where you're from, and I'll just do a random pick of who I think should get the $100. So in the box you get 4 to 5 items, and this is my bundle, and you get a card, which is the box that I got was $1 Sure Fit box. Tell us what you think. You have 7 days to try on, provide feedback, and then a survey. In exchange for providing feedback within 7 days, try on, we're giving you 40% off any items you decide to keep, which I think is awesome. So you get this card, and I will put a picture of this so you guys can see. And then you have your price sheet, which I'll go over as I pick up the items, and then your return bag, so it's free to ship both ways. So let's get into the box. Okay, so here is the bundle. They have a cute sticker here that says Selfie Styler. And then here are my items. Put this over here. Okay. So the first item, oh, I like this. This is a plain black top, which I love black. As you can tell, I'm wearing a black top now. It is Z Supply. It has a pocket. It's longer, which is super awesome because I really like longer shirts. And this shirt is Z Supply. It's a size extra small, and it's $38. Okay, the next item is this, looks like an off-the-shoulder top. Really cute. It has some, it's like a denim, and it's super stretchy. Very adorable. I like this. So this is by Ellen, and this is $70. Okay, next item we have here, looks like a gray tank. Super cute V-neck. I love V-neck tanks. And this is by Alternative, and this is $34. Next we have here are some shorts. They're super cute, very like soft and like a linen. These are by Tommy Bahama, and these are $48. Very cute. Next item we have are some silver jeans. Oh, I like these. Hopefully these fit. So this is silver jeans, black, and then they have at the knees, they have these cutouts. I hope these fit. And at the bottom, they have the distressing. So those are adorable. They're plain in the back. I've been looking for a pair of jeans like this. So these are Silver Jean Company, and they are $79. So the total for my box is $269. So I'm going to try everything on and then come back and let you guys know what I decided to keep. The first top is the Z Supply top. Let me get a little bit closer, and you can see the little pocket. It's kind of hard to see. Super cute. Fits really nice. It's a little bit longer. Fits nicely in the back. Definitely probably keep this top. It's something I can wear to work all the time. And yeah, definitely going to keep this. Next, I'm going to go down to the shorts. These really are not my style, unfortunately. They're too long here, and I'm not a fan of like the pockets, as you can see, and they're just not me, unfortunately. So I will be sending these back. Okay guys, so next is the silver jeans. They are so soft, so comfortable. Here is the knee. I love these. I will definitely be keeping these. Absolutely. So these are perfect. I love how they're soft and stretchy. See? Very soft and stretchy. I love them. I definitely be keeping these. I love this outfit. This is totally my style. Okay, next top is this gray top. It's just a plain top. I'm not sure if I'll be keeping it. It's really soft and comfortable. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it's just a plain top. As you can tell, So we shall see. I'm not sure if I will be keeping this. Okay, next is this top. Unfortunately, I don't like the style of it. It's just big in here, and then it's like open in the back. So this is definitely a no. I think it's cute though. It's super soft. I like the pattern, but yeah, this isn't really flattering for me. So I'm gonna pass on this one. Okay guys, so I'm back. The two items that I decided to keep were the jeans, the silver jeans. These are so comfortable. And the Z Supply top. Overall, I thought this was a great box. Unfortunately, with this one, I can't wear something with the back open like that. It was cute idea, but I'll have to pass on that. And then this top here, this gray top, it's just a plain black gray top. I don't need it, but it was really nice. And then these shorts here, Tommy Bahama, they're just not me. I like distressing and I don't really care for linen. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, there is a giveaway here. So I will be picking a winner for $100. So comment below, please like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.